If you're deciding between Monday.com and Redbooth for your team collaboration needs, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll compare these two project management tools and dive deep into their features, usability, and performance so you can make the best choice. Stick around until the end, because I've got an alternative that might just be the perfect fit for your team's collaboration goals. First thing, let's start with Monday.com. Monday.com is a highly popular project management platform known for its visual appeal and intuitive interface. The board-style design makes it easy to track tasks and progress, and it has a wide range of customizable templates. If you're looking for a tool that is simple to use, but also offers scalability as your team grows, Monday.com fits that need. However, the platform can sometimes feel like a bit much when it comes to features. There's a lot of flexibility, but it can also lead to overwhelm, especially if you're a smaller team or a newbie to project management tools. The pricing structure can also get expensive quickly as you scale up, and some users have complained about the steep learning curve for those diving into advanced features. Next thing, let's talk about Redbooth. Redbooth is another project management tool that offers collaborative features, focusing more on streamlined task management. One of its highlights is the simplicity. It's easy to use and doesn't have as many overwhelming options compared to Monday.com. Redbooth excels in its task management system, and you'll find its integration with communication tools like chat particularly helpful for real-time collaboration. The downside, though, is that some users find the interface a bit dated and lackluster. While it's functional, it doesn't have the same flashy or customizable feel as Monday.com. Some also note that the reporting and analytics capabilities in Redbooth aren't as robust, so if you're looking for deep data insights, that could be a limitation. The third thing to consider is integration. Both Monday.com and Redbooth offer integrations with a variety of other tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Dropbox. However, Monday.com has a broader selection of integrations, making it a more versatile choice for businesses using a wider range of apps. On the flip side, Redbooth's integrations are more streamlined, so it could be a better option for teams that already use a specific set of tools. The fourth thing, mobile apps. If you're working on the go or need a tool that's optimized for mobile use, Monday.com offers a more polished mobile app experience. It's well-designed and functional, letting you track tasks and collaborate on projects wherever you are. Redbooth's mobile app, while functional, doesn't have the same level of fluidity and polish, which could be a deal breaker for teams that rely on mobile work. Now, let's talk about pricing. Monday.com offers a range of pricing tiers, but as mentioned earlier, it can get expensive, especially as you scale up and need more advanced features. Redbooth, on the other hand, tends to be more affordable, making it an appealing option for smaller teams or startups. However, you might have to compromise on some of the advanced functionalities that Monday.com offers at the higher pricing levels. In summary, both Monday.com and Redbooth have their strengths and weaknesses. Monday.com excels with its visually appealing interface, customization options, and scalability, but can be overwhelming for smaller teams or users new to project management software. Redbooth shines in simplicity and task management, but lacks some of the advanced features and polish that Monday.com provides. So, which one is best for collaboration? If you want a tool with a cleaner, more visual interface and more flexibility to grow, Monday.com is a great choice. However, if you're a small to medium-sized team looking for a more affordable, straightforward solution, Redbooth could be a better fit. But after trying both of these tools myself, if you're serious about collaboration and want a platform that combines the best of both worlds, simplicity, flexibility, and scalability, I recommend giving the tool I use a try. If you want a better alternative for seamless team collaboration, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description below. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available to everyone. Don't miss out.